Once this 4-hour candle here closes, we're going to go into the smaller time frames and see what supply and what demand that 4-hour candle left for us to take trades off of. But what I can see here is that we have a supply and we have a demand outside of that 4-hour candle here that price could also potentially be drawn to. So we're going to mark that down. Although we do have this break of structure here, I'd like to wait for further confirmation to have a bullish bias on the 15-minute. But what I do see here on the 1 hour is this very strong demand level holding. It could possibly melt through this 15-minute demand though, so we're going to pay attention to that. We're not going to overlook that. We have 7 minutes till the 4-hour candle closes. So based off of this closure, we're going to see exactly what price is going to do in this 15-minute demand. Okay, so we're inside of the 15-minute demand. I want to see price making structure here on the 1 minute, breaking it, and leaving us with some type of fair value gap as an entry and continuing its way out to this 15-minute demand, supply, this 15-minute supply here. Something else I like here is that we did sweep this liquidity here, this resting liquidity. It got taken out, so right about here, liquidity sweep. If we're able to pass this high, that'd be amazing. If we can break the high, we can break this high right here. I'd love that. I'm gonna ask it to break it, please. Please break this high, market. Try to make some money today. I'd love it if you can just leave this fair value gap here as an entry for me. And market actually broke the high. That's enough for me to enter. So looks like we're gonna enter. Okay, so here's my reasoning for this trade. If you go to the 1 hour, you can see here this demand push price all the way up to this point here. We came back, reacted off of it, and created a new demand off of that level, which is here, this 15-minute demand. Let me go into the 15-minute so you can see it better. So this 15-minute demand was created off of this 1 hour demand. Now what? So now we go into this 1 minute time frame here, and inside this 15-minute demand, we have this liquidity sweep with these lows being taken out. These lows were taken out by this low. 2, we have this break of structure here. This high overtook this one. And 3, we have this fair value gap that was formed here as a nice little entry for us to take. That is enough influences for me. There it is. Entry just got hit. Whoever's watching this, or I don't know if anybody will, but it's good to take note of every trade you take and the errors you make and the good things that you do as well. You'd be able to prevent an error from happening if you know and you identified that error previously on one of your past trades. And once you're able to identify all your errors and crack down on them, trading just becomes a routine. It doesn't really have to be stressful at all. You just wait for price to do its thing because you see it all the time. 642, but doink. That's the trade, fellas. So we're getting a nice little reaction off of this demand here. Another demand that was made on the 1 minute. Price is like waking out on it. See, 3 times. No, it waked out on it 4 times. So I kind of like that. I have my alerts set, so I don't really have to be here right now. So I'll be back. Oh shit! It hit the 1-to-1. Hold on. Almost at take profit. 3 contracts off. We'll take off another 3 later, and then another 3 later. Sounds good. Yeah. Move up the stop loss to break even. Alright, take profit 2 is about to be hit, so I'm gonna go ahead and take another position off. I'm gonna set and forget this one since I have to get ready for school now. I'm just going to log off and yeah, W trade today. I got my 1 to 2 hit. Didn't get the 1 to 3 unfortunately yet. We'll see if price decides to do that. If not, it's totally okay. I ended the day in profit. So W day.